Hello, friend. Welcome back to the channel. Hello to all the new subscribers and first-time viewers. We appreciate you greatly. Today, we have the Miami International Boat Show in town. Well, it's going to be in town for the next 3 days. It's billed as one of the largest boating and yacht events in the world.
Views I can get
That's significant
from the water.
Considering Monte Carlo, or Monaco, Monte Carlo.
International.
Did I say that right? Considering Monte Carlo, Monaco, and some of the other major boating events, Newport, California, etc. So the one that's held here in Miami is considered the world's largest yachting and boat event. It covers roughly 6 to 8 different destinations or facilities in the local area. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go out and see if I can get some quality video content and also take you along. So thanks for joining me as I approach the docks or the loading area. I realize the same challenges I have when I'm in many commercial locations. That is the background ambient music. For the most part, I will have to edit out. Or do you want to hear me continually talk? Or would you prefer to hear some background music? Please share your thoughts with me. I have purchased I call it, if not a windsock, but it's an item to buffer the noise from the wind, and I'm using that. So let me know if that makes a difference. When I get on the boat today, I think that would be the true test. Enjoy the footage. Leave me your comments, and I'll see you soon. Thanks everyone for staying to the end. For the first time viewers and subscribers, we look forward to your comments, sharing, likes. How did we do with the windsock? Did it make a difference? I see today was a overcast day, but I do believe we still got some quality content in. If you like this content, there's more below. I look forward to spending time with you again. See you soon.